was freezing up there. There was like a huge blizzard. I almost got a 15-passenger van stuck on
Yeah,
a
oh
hill
no.
as we were trying to get our guys to the airport, and so we like almost got permanently stuck there. Like they would have
Yeah.
to
Nice.
just live there.
Yeah.
And then Rocket League won their division national championship. Yeah, there's been like a whole bunch of stuff. We're actually about to publish an article that's got the list of like all of the highlights for like a recap for 2025. But God's really blessed us like in so many ways.
And let's not get this confused.
Yeah.
You are a school of approximately 1,000 students. That's
Yeah.
including the
Esports.
online students.
Yep.
And you're competing against schools with
40,000.
20,000,
Yeah.
40,000
Yeah.
players.
Yeah.
I mean,
Students, yeah.
students, you know.
But like
so-
some of the clubs have
Yeah.
like, thousands of players.